I always wanted to be Juliet since I became a professional dancer. It was my dream role for a long time. I really want to make my own Juliet, not a famous Juliet that everyone knows. So I think of my teenage who were very enthusiastic without fear. My biggest challenge is communicate with audience because you can make any sounds when you are acting on stage. So there is a limitation to deliver emotion. Like in Act 3, when Juliet finds out that Romeo is dead, I just want to crying and screaming crazy, but it's not allowed because this is a ballet that you can only use your face and body for showing people what I'm feeling from deep inside. My favorite scene is from Act 1 when Romeo and Juliet is having first eye contact at the party. Even that is the beginning of all this tragedy. That moment is so powerful. Even the show indicates sad story, I want audience to recollect their pure and passionate moment of first love after watching my show.